The World Health Organization has decided to resume the hydroxychloroquine trials in an effort to find a treatment for Covid-19. This the body did after halting trials when The Lancet issued an expression of concern over a study it had published that had questioned the effectiveness of HCQ. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said that on the basis of the available mortality data, there are no reasons to modify the trial protocol, thus giving a green flag for the resumption of hydroxychloroquine trials. A record number of 9,304 people tested positive for the coronavirus infection in the last 24 hours in India, taking the country's tally of cases across 2.16 lakhs. The total cases in the country stood at 2,16,919, including 6,075 deaths, according to data from the Union Health Ministry. Every person arriving in Delhi by train, bus or flight will now have to undergo compulsory home quarantine for a week. The Delhi government has now changed its earlier rule where no quarantine was required. The district administration is tasked with ensuring that the rule is followed. The tweak in rule followed a surge in cases in the national capital where the number of coronavirus infections is currently 23,645. A SpiceJet pilot was robbed at gunpoint after the car he was travelling in was stopped by some 10 men in the middle of the night in South Delhi. Before fleeing, one of the men attacked him with a knife, leaving the pilot bleeding on a flyover close to the Indian Institute of Technology in South Delhi. Reports say several people have been looted in the same manner near the IIT Delhi flyover in recent days. Police say they have received only one complaint so far and are investigating the case. India and China will hold a Lieutenant General level talk on Saturday to resolve the conflict at the line of actual control in Ladakh. Ahead of this crucial meet, Indian and Chinese troops have retreated marginally from the contested area. Chinese transgressions across the line of actual control in Galwan and Hot Spring in eastern Ladakh, according to reports, had surprised India as they are not a contested area. As many as 23 contested areas, including Pangong Tso, have been identified by the government since India first accepted the concept of LAC in 1993. Delhi Police in its charge sheet says that Intelligence Bureau staffer Ankit Sharma was killed while he tried to pacify both sides who were rioting in Delhi in February. Sharma was allegedly caught and dragged by armed rioters on the instigation of suspended Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain. Police say he was then killed and his body was dumped in a drain. A high-level team has been formed to investigate the killing of the pregnant elephant in Kerala. The elephant had eaten a fruit stuffed with firecrackers. Kerala's chief wildlife warden told media that they were of the view that it was an intentional act to kill the elephant. Chief Wildlife Warden Surendra Kumar said there will be arrests soon.